Hello, I am one of the admissions counselors for the University of Idaho, and today I'm going to walk you through how to fill out an application. The first step is to go to uidaho.edu. Click on any button that says Apply. This will bring you to a page where you will determine what type of applicant you are. Since this is our first time attending college, we are going to click on First Year. On the left-hand side, you can request more information, check out our admissions requirements, and find your admissions counselor. We are very eager to apply, so we're going to scroll down and click on U of I application. You do also have the option of submitting an application via the Common App, if you so choose. We are going to do the U of I application today. Now there are two options to choose from. If you have already started your application, log in and continue to work on it. Since we are starting our application for the first time, we will click Create an Account. First, we need to enter our email address. Please use an email address that you check often. It is best to use a personal email instead of your high school email address, as your high school may block outside senders and often close access upon your graduation. You may want to create an email address solely for your college search and application process. For example, firstname.lastname.college@gmail.com or something similar. Gmail, Yahoo, and AOL all offer free email accounts. You'll then enter your first name, your last name, and your date of birth. Then click Continue. Once you've entered your email and clicked Continue, a PIN number will be sent to the email address you used to create the account. Enter the temporary PIN number and re-enter your birthday, then click Login. Next, you are going to create a passcode. Make sure to keep track of your passcode so you don't forget it. Then hit Set Password. You will then be brought to a page to create an application. Let's begin by clicking Start New Application. We'll scroll down and under Select an Application Type, we'll select Undergraduate. Then hit Create Application. Next, we'll hit Open the application. The next thing we'll do is enter our biographical information. Your first name, your last name, any preferred nicknames, and any other last names you've used. You can then enter your permanent address. If your mailing address is different, please add your mailing address as well. Once done, hit Save. Enter your phone number and opt in for texting. Opting in allows the university to send you important updates such as scholarship information and application deadlines. You can opt out at any time. You'll then enter your sex. Your birth date will auto-populate. You'll then enter your country of birth and your city of birth. Then scroll through the list of the states and find your state of birth as well. You will then enter your citizenship information. Then please answer the race/ethnicity questions and hit Continue. On the next page, you'll provide enrollment information, such as the degree you're seeking, for example, an undergraduate bachelor's degree, and whether you're a returning student or a first-time student. For your campus of interest, the Moscow campus offers all our undergraduate programs, while other campuses have limited options. If you are interested in a pre-health program, such as pre-medicine or pre-physical therapy, please select that interest below. Then, you'll choose your major or field of study. If you're undecided, that's okay. Select a college to be undecided within. You can change your major later. You'll then be asked to enter additional information regarding economic hardship, the term you wish to start your studies at the University of Idaho, SAT and ACT questions, and your U.S. Armed Force status. Once filled out, click Continue. Next, you will enter your parent or guardian's information, including their relationship to you, their first and last name, and contact information. If they are deceased, only their name is required. Once filled in, click Continue. You will then need to add your academic history, including high schools or colleges attended, dates of attendance, and any degrees or credits earned. When you start to type in your school or college name, it typically appears in a drop-down menu. Under your high school, you can leave credit hours blank. Once completed, click Save. If you have taken any dual credit or Running Start courses and earned college credits while in high school, also enter the college or university where the credits you've earned or plan to earn for any colleges you've attended. Then hit Save. Once you've added your academic history, then click Continue. Next, you will provide your state residency information. If you are an Idaho resident, you will be asked additional residency questions. Then you will enter additional information about your disciplinary history and other minor offenses. If you would like to receive any information from a specific office, you can select that here. Then click Continue. This next page is for scholarship information. We encourage students to spend some time on this section in order to accurately reflect their honors and achievements for scholarships. These are short essay types of questions that cover activities or offices held during the past 4 years, honors or awards earned during the past 4 years, describing your work experience, listing any community service activities, and the final question, we want to hear about your career goals. Once you've taken some time to fill these out, click Continue. Before submitting, make sure to read over these statements, then type in your full legal name in place of your signature. Once completed, click Confirm. You will then be brought to the review page. Feel free to check over your application, but if you are satisfied with your application and are ready to submit it, click Submit Application. After submitting your application, you'll be prompted to pay the application fee unless you have a fee waiver. Once completed, your application will be added to the system. If you have any questions, reach out to your admissions counselor. Their information is listed under Admissions Counselor on the University of Idaho website. We are so excited to receive your application. Go Vandals!